6 by 8 is 48. 3 by 8 is 24. The answer is 504. 5 by 4 is 20. 2 by 4 is 8. The answer is 208. 9 by 7 is 63. 2 by 7 is 14. The answer is 644. 3 by 9 is 27. 5 by 9 is 45. The answer is 315. 8 by 8 is 64. 1 by 8 is 08. The answer is 648. 4 by 2 is 8. The answer is 80. 7 by 8 is 56. 5 by 8 is 40. The answer is 600. 5 by 5 is 25. 1 by 5 is 05. The answer is 255. 3 by 3 is 9. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 117. 8 by 2 is 16. 7 by 2 is 14. The answer is 174. 8 by 6 is 48. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 492. 3 by 4 is 12. 6 by 4 is 24. The answer is 144. 5 by 3 is 15. 6 by 3 is 18. The answer is 168. 6 by 4 is 24. 1 by 4 is 04. The answer is 244. 4 by 7 is 28. 1 by 7 is 07. The answer is 287.